Chapter 9.1 Class and Object in Pygame 0. 7. How to create instances calling Constructor in class.
How can I use the variables and the function of the class?
Let's make the 3 circles fall at the same time using the class.
What does this code mean?
This code creates 3 instances assigning data to 4 variables in the constructor. This code draws the 3 instances. This code moves the 3 instances. Let's run this code. The red, green, and purple circles are falling at different positions and speeds.